Good evening, students. Today's topic is Grade 11 Biology Animal Kingdom examples. Generally, it is difficult to remember all those examples, but now we have a simple mnemonic to remember this. First one, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about Animal Kingdom, in that Porifera, Platyhelminthes, then Annelida. So I hope you remember that. So today we will discuss about the first three phylum and its examples. Number one, Porifera has got 8 examples, and the mnemonic for Porifera is see, let us imagine we are going to two shops. One person, we want to purchase an object, he says more cost. The other one, that is, he says less cost. So you remember he says or he less cost, and then to say we have to take. On expanding we get HE, LE, SS and 2C. Now what are the examples for Porifera? First one, Hyloneema. Second, Euplectella. Third one, Leucosolenia. Next, Euspongia. S for Sycon. Second one for Spongilla. Now the last two examples, Cleona and Chelina. Using this simple mnemonic he less cost, we can write the 8 examples of first phylum, that is Porifera. Now let us discuss about the second phylum, that is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. We have 6 examples. To remember this, what is the mnemonic? The mnemonic is, let us say, Platyhelminthes for pest. Here you write a 2p. Very simple. For pest you can write. Now expanding this, we get F, 2p, E, S and T. Now what are the examples? F for Phaseola, P for Planaria, next Polystomum, next E for Echinococcus, S for Schistosoma, and last one T for Tinea. So by using these two simple mnemonics, you can write the examples of first two phylum. Now let us see Annelida. Next one, Annelida. In that we have 9 examples. To save time, I have written the mnemonic like this. Let us say a person called Pathan is working in HCL company. So we can write like this, Pathan HCL. P we can take 2 and expand that. On expanding, we get the following examples. P for Peritima, Polygodius, A for Aphrodite, T tubifex, A Arenicola, N is Neris, and H Hirudinaria, that is leech, C for Chaetopterus, and L for Lumbricus. Using these 3 mnemonics, we can remember 8 plus 6 plus 9, that is totally 23 examples. In the next class, we can discuss the remaining phylum. Hope you have understood this, and it will be better if you follow this. Thank you so much.